This is our rainwater collection system at our house. Basically, we have on all four corners of the house, out of the downspout, they dump into a barrel. This barrel, which is the closest to our bulk storage, has this pipe, which strapped to it is a float, a basic like sump pump float. So when the water level gets high, the pump turns on. When the water level drops, pump shuts off. Very simple. This is just a little manifold that I made. You can see this pipe comes from the pipe at the northeast corner. This pipe obviously comes from this barrel. And we've got two pipes for the other two corners of the house. They come into the pipe, and then I used 1-inch PEX that goes out to, it's just laying on the ground now. Someday when I get time, I'll bury it under the ground, to our two storage barrels. They're both 1,500 gallon barrels. And what I did is I piped the pump pumps into this one, into the very top of it. And then there's a bung on this barrel and that barrel. And they're tied together with a 2-inch PVC pipe. And I put some connections in here so we can hook a garden hose to it and just gravity fill the tanks that we use to water all of our fruit trees. This is a little trailer that we made up. It's got 2 barrels on it. Just pull it behind the ATV, and we've got about 50 fruit trees out here that we water. So we just pull this trailer behind the ATV and water the fruit trees with it. But that's we got about a little over 3,000 gallons of storage, rainwater. And it's amazing, off just the roof of our house and our garage, a 1/2 inch of rain, how much they will fill these barrels. We don't have a big problem with algae growing in the barrels. If a little bit of algae starts to grow, I throw a little bleach in there, a few ounces, kills it. Eventually, when we get further along, I'll paint these tanks to keep the sunlight out, and then I'm going to put some fencing around them, and we'll put some vining plants like grapes to shade them. As long as they're not getting sunlight, the algae won't grow.